The state of Texas is taking another major step in the effort to get more people vaccinated and hopefully soon put an end to the pandemic.
Starting Monday, March the 29th, everyone ages 16 and older will be eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine regardless of occupation or health issues.
So far, nearly 10.5 million doses have been administered across the state. Those numbers are expected to rise dramatically this week when access will open to all adults. In Nueces County, the online vaccination registration portal is now open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Local leaders are urging everyone to get in line.
Make a vaccination plan today. Make getting a vaccination a priority. You aren't pushing someone else more deserving out of line anymore starting on Monday. It's your turn. It's here for all of us now.
The Public Health District is planning to administer over 25,000 vaccines over the next week. Clinics are scheduled every day through Saturday. And if you want to take another look at the information on your screen, you'll find it by going to our website, KIIITV.com.